Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import an Excel workbook into Power BI Desktop and turn it into a fully interactive report. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop on your computer. From the top menu, click File, then choose Import and select Power Query, Power Pivot, or Power View. This option allows Power BI Desktop to read the structure and content of your Excel workbook. Next, an open window will appear. Browse your computer and select the Excel file you want to import, then click Open. Keep in mind that very large Excel workbooks may take longer for Power BI Desktop to analyze and convert. If your Excel file is stored in a shared OneDrive for work or school, or inside a Microsoft 365 group folder, you'll need to use the file's web URL instead. Paste that URL into the web data source inside Power BI Desktop to connect properly. After selecting the workbook, an import dialog box appears. Click Start to begin the import process. Power BI Desktop will now analyze the Excel file and convert it into a Power BI report file with the PBIX format. This conversion is a one-time process. Once the PBIX file is created, it no longer depends on the original Excel workbook. You can edit, save, and share the Power BI report without affecting the Excel file. When the import finishes, a summary page appears. This page shows which items were successfully converted and lists anything that couldn't be imported. Review the details, then click Close. Power BI Desktop will automatically generate a report based on the Excel data. From here, you can continue building your dashboard by creating new visualizations, adding more data, or designing additional report pages. And that's it! You've successfully imported Excel data into Power BI Desktop and are ready to build powerful visual reports. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial on creating full business KPI dashboards in Power BI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.